Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo IP. Today we are going to see how to calibrate lines on the HT841. Have you ever dialed the trunk, answered the call, and when you ended the call on the cell phone side, it remained active on the ATA and the IP PBX side? Let's see how to solve this problem. We hang up the active call, go to the adapter, to the maintenance option, system diagnostic, debug, and go to the FXO port section. We set semi-auto detect, indicate the port where we have the trunk, and add a number where it would dial us. We click on the start button and wait for a call from the ATA to the cell phone. There it is, we answer on the cell phone, hang up the call, press PSTN on hook, and the cutoff tone frequency should appear. When this appears, we simply apply it. If we have a second line connected, we would do the same with the line on port 2. We repeat the dialing test to see if the issue has been resolved. On the IP PBX side, we restart the call to the trunk. It is ringing, so we answer it. Once answered, we hang up on the cell phone side. If you notice, it immediately hangs up the call. This completes the test. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.